Assalamualaikum ya Kashmiri nin guys.
Alaikum salam.
These two guys Kashmiris I like too much. They are very hard working, you know. Especially Mr. Rahula. It's very hard working. Mudassir, very fast working, very hard working. But please do not do again. If you are scheduled morning, you must be morning. Okay?
Okay.
Do not. This is Jafar. Ada mukmafi Jafar. Ada. See, I like you Jafar because you're good working.
Yeah,
But keep it dislike, no need to wait. I dislike you, you know. If I dislike you, I throw baladiya alatul. Ya Mr. Abdallah. Ya mali ya. Hey guys, pauwi na. Mag-wait na naman kami ng bus. Dito naman pauwi. Ayan yung babaan namin. Nakakatak. Sawi, hi to your family, Mr. Mudassir. Mr. Mudassir, hi to your family.
Yes.
Greet your family. Shout out your family. Your mother, your father. Sawi. Well, my father, my mother, how are you? My brother, sister.
Fucking good.
Ida, must be shout out. Stop smoking. You always you have a cough. See guys. Is now time is what time now?
Time 1:70.
1:78. We don't know. 178. What's a 178?
1:17.
What 17? 78. So yung confusing, eh. Mulan pala. Mulan pala ngayon. Mambon pala siya ngayon. Kaya pala medyo basa-basa ang simyento. Ayan guys, naghihintay na naman kami ng bus. Sa umaga naghihintay na ng bus. Yung bus nang sumusundo sa amin sa gabi, malaki. Yung shuttle bus siya. Kasi marami kaming stop eh. Kasi yung closing sa morning, magsasama na pa uwi. Kaya madami hindi kaya nung maliit na na bus. Okay guys, cheese out.